Hello everyone. Welcome back to my stream. Okay. So yeah, today we're going to keep working on Keeper. I got some work to do on my dungeons, got some work to do on basically the entire game. So let's get into it. Then let me know about how the music volume is as always. So let's open it up. And then I also need to open up my task list to see what I even need to do. Okay, why is my task list missing, like, everything? What the? I guess it logged me out. Nice. Okay, there we go. That scared me for a second. Hey, Charlie, what's up? Okay, so for the dungeons still, I need to implement the keys that go with the locks. Yep, I am back on Keeper. Happy to be working on my main project again instead of getting distracted by a bunch of different side projects. Hate when that happens. I'm currently working on a side project. Yeah, I spent like the past couple of years kind of falling into that trap of just like, oh look, wouldn't this be fun to do? But what I ended up finding is that like side projects are fun to start, but then once you get far enough into them, it kind of just feels like a main project again. And then I ended up just going on to something else, so like, I kind of just needed to find the discipline to actually just work on one thing. And I'm like, oh god, I need to get this done so I don't have to keep working on it again. And I can finally do something new. That's what I'm looking for. The excitement of something new. Yeah, exactly. And it just gets harder to work on a project the longer you work on it, so. It always seems easier to just start a new thing. Oh, hey Stan. Welcome to the stream. Haven't seen you in a while. My friends all joke saying I can't finish anything. Yeah, it's relatable. I should also maybe mention the Discord that I'm streaming. Yeah, been a bit. How you been? I've been good. Like I was saying a minute ago, I've just been getting distracted by a lot of side projects, but for the past couple months I've been back to Keeper, which feels good. Okay, there are a couple tiling errors here. Like there's one here, this should not be a thing. Are you in college? Yep, I'm in university. Just got 4 months left and I'm graduating. I'm the 17th server in your game dev Discord server folder. Nice. Currently sophomore year for a computer science degree. Nice. Yeah, I'm in my, I guess senior year for computer science, but it's my 5th one because I did a year of internship. Let's just extend this a little bit, and that should be fine. Are you looking to do game development after your degree? Ideally I'd be able to do this after my degree, so yeah. But if I can't do this, yeah, I'd probably try and get a job at a bigger studio. I think that'd be fun. Yeah, freshman, sophomore, junior, senior. Okay, I need to make sure this is still tiling properly. Yeah, the US system for naming the years is kind of funny. Like, no one outside the US ever knows what you're talking about. Yeah. Here there are so many options, so you never need the one thing. It's interesting. Minor in cybersecurity. That's cool. Ah, there's a flaw up here too. Okay. We ball. Okay, that did not fix it. Ah, there's another one there. Okay, how about we just slide this along here and I guess we can slide this along here. What's the issue? I'll show you in a sec. So the issue is... Hello, Farplay, what's up? My computer just blue screened, that sucks. I want like, I'm trying to make this tile correctly, so there should be like this black line and then this brighter line here. But there's like a tiling error here and in like a couple other places. Okay, so that just fixed it. We good now? Okay, there's one right there. It's just the drawing. I need to make it tile properly. Yeah, I see the problem because, okay, it starts with the black line or the dark line and then also ends with the dark line. But then in between these need to tile properly together. Okay, I didn't want to do this. I guess I can just move this over. Oh, I'm not even using that tile. I kind of just need to fiddle with this until it looks right. No, I know what's happening. I just need to, like... I don't know the exact, like... orientation of things to fix it. Ooh, building a new PC? Nice. Okay, that fixed it, but yeah, I don't like how that looks. Oh, there's another one up there, okay. Oh, and right there. Gonna get 4070, nice. Gaming. Yeah, I feel like I'm making it worse now. I have so much trouble figuring out how to tile things for like no reason. Okay, but to be fair, this actually is impossible to do it the way I want if these dark lines need to be on both sides, and I'm only using one tile in the middle. I don't know. Redraw that second in Aseprite? The second what? What do you mean by the second section? Oh, you just mean that section? But... yeah, I mean, the problem is that, like, along the bottom, it's just this tile tiling over and over again. So this tile works for that, but then the problem is at the start and end, I want both of these corner tiles to have this dark line on the edge. But if I do that, then it doesn't tile properly with this tile. No dark lines are on the edge. Yeah, but... I know, but like I want a dark line on the edge because that's like the shading of the brick. So it's kind of hard. Hey Llama Jr., what's up? My god, it's pouring out right now. What's going on? I'm working on the tile set for my dungeon and trying to figure out the least annoying way to fix my tiling error. Gotta start working on an inventory system. Those are fun. What's wrong with the tiles? They're not tiling properly, so there are like a few errors in it. Like there should be a dark line here. So I'm just trying to get it to tile properly. Moved to Godot a few months ago, never properly tackled inventory in Godot. Nice. Hope you have fun with it. Godot's pretty nice, honestly. I've been enjoying using it so far. Yeah, I'm using Godot now for Keeper. It was originally in Unity. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. I think it's okay. Fix that another time. What do I want to do next? Could do keys. I've been using Godot for a couple of years now. Nice. Is there cheese in Keeper? There is cheese in Keeper. There's a lot of cheese in Keeper. That's a sign of a good game. Good to know. Let's work on enemy knockback. I'm kind of tired to work on keys right now. I'd eat the cheese even if it was on the ground. Nice. What's up, AIA? How's it going? Think about what makes Skyrim good cheese. Interesting opinion. That must be why people play Skyrim. So they can roleplay a person who eats cheese. Stuff you can't do in real life. Probably the easiest way to do this is make a new method, add knockback. Thoughts on GDScript? I tried it. I didn't really like using it, but people like if you like it, then go for it. I forgot about you. Ouch. Well, here I am. Can you guys hear the music, by the way? It's like kind of quiet for me. Okay. Knockback. Can hear it good. Perfect. Good volume. Good. Would it be hard to switch from a C type to one similar to Python? Yeah, I made a little puzzle game in GDScript when I first started learning Godot. I just don't really like making games in weakly typed languages. That's kind of the problem for me, but it really just depends on the person and kind of like the size of the project you're working on. Spoken to a few inspirations today. Am I one of the inspirations? Yeah, read only, whatever. The Keeper game is sick. Thank you. How do I want to handle knockback? It's a keeper. The thing I'm still surprised about is that, like, I don't know, it's a one-word title for a common word, but, like, I'm just surprised there's never been a game called Keeper before. At least not any I found. The closest, like, popular game is Graveyard Keeper, as far as I've seen. Oh, those guys go flying. Wow. Guess I can keep the title. Graveyard Keeper is good. Yeah, I haven't played it before. I don't know much about it, but it seems cool. Trapper Keepers were the best? What's that? I don't know, I feel like with the knockback, I kind of just want to, like, give them an impulse in the direction of the knockback, but, like, these aren't necessarily physics bodies, so I don't know if I can do that. It's called Graveyard Keeper, but you do everything but keep graveyards. Nice. What do you do then? Lerp their positions backwards a little. Yeah. I don't know, it's just, I'm trying to... Literally every job you can think of, okay. I'm just trying to think of a way I can do this that won't, like, mess things up in the future, because, like, if I lerp their positions backwards over several frames, then that can't really be, like, a general solution, because for the player, like, the player's movement code is going to overwrite those changes. You can be a cook and make food of dead corpses. Oh god. Yeah, I know about the velocity variable for character bodies, but like it's still the same problem for the player because like the player's movement code is overriding the velocity based on the keyboard or based on the player input. Are you able to stop it for a period of time? Stop what? Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out, like... Yeah. That would be a solution. So just trying to think like what would be the best option. I'm just gonna try adding it to the position for now and see how bad that looks. Just for like prototyping, and then like if that feels good, then the next solution would be like changing that to be over several frames. Oh, Godot, why do you do this? I don't get, like, why that just happens sometimes, and then, like, I run it again and then it's fine. Like... Why? Oh! I think that's a little too much knockback. That's strange, I haven't seen that happen. Yeah, like... Okay. It happens like every other time, it's so annoying. Like, it's possible it's something... I did, but like it gives no error or anything. I'm using... One sec. But like... I'm using 4.2 mana. Like, I don't think there's anything in my code that's like... that would be different. Like, running it one time versus running another time, so... I'm not really convinced that this would be something I did. Oh. Why did I just go up there? Okay. What the? Why is that happening? Like, they should be moving in the direction of the player's attack. Procrastinating the inventory system. I now have a working mini-map. Nice. Oh my god. Switching to GLES2? What? When Godot was on my secondary screen, the game will be unresponsive as a launch. Okay, did this issue ever get resolved? Yeah, it seems like it's a problem with the second screen based on what I've read. Oh, I don't even have the thing that they're saying causes the problem. I don't know if I got it. It seems similar to the issue these people are having. Yeah, let me try moving this to my other monitor and see if that works. Yeah, I think that is the problem. Okay, someone said if you launch from VS Code, then it works okay. Okay, I think that was a lie. Oh, it hit a breakpoint, never mind. Let's try that again. Yeah, it seems like that's working. Oh, so many breakpoints. Okay. Oy, oy, oy. Oh my god. Okay. -4, -2. What? That number makes like 0 sense. Time for the old debugger. Looks good so far, thank you. What's up, Nebula Lord? Okay. Oh my... Okay, I make this mistake like every time. This needs to be global position. Oh. If you just say position, then it's like... It's gonna be modified by like... the positions of that object's parents. So your numbers get all messed up. I think it's the opposite way in Unity, so I, like, every time I... Oh, Godot, oh my god. Hello. Oh my Godot. Okay, thank you. Okay, we are just gonna switch to my other display because this is really annoying. And apparently that fixes it for some reason, so. Crashes. It's really the unique killer crashes just like it, yeah. I actually never had crashes with Unity, it's kind of funny. Oh, what's up? How long have you been coding? Hello, Richie. How long have I been coding? I don't know. 10 years or so. You have a second monitor and never had that issue? Oh. Lucky me, I have it all the time. Should be good now. Hey Leon, what's up? Okay, wait, I know what the problem is. I know what the problem is. Yeah, okay, I know what the problem is. Have you put any games on the App Store or anything? Oh shoot, I almost closed OBS. Not... I haven't, like, sold any games. I can show you what I've released in a second, though. Just fix this. It should be from the owner's position. And that should work. Okay, never mind. I'm having the same issue on this monitor too. Godot. That's actually so annoying. Anyways, I guess a good time to show you the games I've made. I've only released like a few of the ones I've made, but how do you even find them? Yeah, on like mikio.itch.io, I have this puzzle game. I have this like mystery game. I have like a text game, a platformer, and a game jam platformer. If you want to check any of them out, can with that link. Should make a game about space and time like Powers. This game is kind of about space. I'll check them out. Nice. But never mind, still on the same issue. Anyways, okay, the knockback problem should be fixed now. There we go. Okay. Wrecked that little jelly. Honestly, you guys are really starting to annoy me with like the military experience trolling. I don't even get the joke. Like, why? Like, is it funny to ask someone if they were in the military like 5 times when they weren't? Like, I really don't get it. Yeah, I think that's fine. Cool. Okay, I think that's fine for now. I actually just ran into a different bug though with the enemy encounters. Gotta get to bed. Game is looking dope. Thank you. Good night. Thanks for stopping by. Okay, make the knockback configurable per weapon. Figure out a way to knockback over frames. Fix enemy encounter re-enter bug. Managed to make my game run at average 300 FPS with 10,000 trees. Nice. Performance. Is it a 2D game? What app to use to keep track of progress on your projects? I use Notion. That's what this is. It's pretty good. I'd recommend it. Oh, 3D survival game? Nice. That's even more impressive then. How do you make Notion new, or how do you make Notion look like that? I'm new to it. I don't know. This is basically just like a board type, and then I add tasks to it. I have a property that's like the status of the task, whether it's like completed or in progress. And then like these subtasks are like custom things I made. Like it adds like a checkbox, and then I did a little bit of like programming to actually make this work. I forget where I did it, but yeah, I basically just like added all this stuff, and I also have like a subtask list, and then so like this main thing filters out all, like it just has the main tasks and it filters out the subtasks, and then like anything that gets added to one of these like automatically gets put as like a child of the main one. So I mean it's like a bit complicated, but the basic way is just like, it's also like in dark mode, this is light mode, you can do like Control-Shift-L to change it. And yeah, what you really like, the Kanban board type is like pretty useful for planning out your projects. Yeah, no problem. Let me know if you have any other questions. Yeah, but just like, yeah, honestly, just like, you can find a lot of Notion resources on Google, or I mean, just like online if you Google for it. And there are also just like template boards you can get that basically have a lot of this stuff pre-made. So you don't need to make it all custom if you don't want to. Okay, so make another signal for when the player exits trigger area. And when that happens, we emit the signal player exited. Okay, so let's override. Hello. Okay, thank you. It's not what I wanted to do. Where'd my music go? Okay, if node is player, reset mobs. Okay. Yeah, I think that should fix that. Let's try that. Okay, we enter. Exit. Come back. No error, okay, good. Except now we're locked in, which is a second problem. I think I need some logic here because... Well, I don't know where I want to put the logic is the problem. Because if the player walks into an enemy encounter a second time and it's already completed, then it shouldn't lock. But do I want to make myself set that up here, or... Do you have a room cleared event? If yes, maybe try checking if it's true and then do trigger the lock. Oh, and then don't trigger the lock. Yeah, the problem is that it was being triggered from the parent class, which doesn't know about the enemies being killed. Yeah, so... Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this. Might just be a little trickier. What do I want to do here? I guess I'll just set up a flag for whether it was completed or not. And then set that to true here. Yeah. I guess I'll just make a new signal like player entered like encounter incomplete, I guess. It's a little bit messy, but it works. Yeah, yeah, it is a pretty long name. Can't really bash what works, right? True. Okay, so what that lets us do is we should have a new signal appear here if Godot responds ever. So now open the gate here. Okay. Godot moment, true. Morning D4V, except it's night here, but 10:32 p.m. Okay, let's disconnect that. Okay. That should work now, I think. 1:32 a.m. here. Ooh. Late. Okay, that time it just... Oh. Okay, the disappearing part is working properly at least, but now the gate is not showing up. Oh great, we have errors too. Oh, I love cryptic errors. PLM root is true. My first question is, why did that not open the gate? No, the... Oh! Thank you, you made me realize what I did. No, we should be closing the gate when the player enters. Thank you. Okay, thank you for opening VS Code. I didn't ask you to do that, but whatever. Okay. So the gate closed that time, that's good. Okay, die. Oh god, okay. Okay, so now open, that's good. Now I come back. Nice, and it doesn't open this time. Okay. Perfect, perfect. That is better. I'll wait for my round of applause now. Nice, thank you. Are they meant to teleport? Yeah, it's just like a simple mock-up for knockback, and I'm gonna interpolate their movement later, so it'll be smoother. When next devlog? I don't know. I have a script written for one, but I still need to record it and edit it. So, possibly soon? Or like possibly within the next couple of weeks? Possibly not. Not positive yet. Devlog live right now. Add knockback. Fix enemy encounter gate bug. Whatever it is, I'm looking forward to it. Thank you. Live devlog, yeah, exactly. You guys can see what I'm doing in real time. Don't even need to wait for a devlog. Exclusive early access. Okay. Fix enemy re-enter bug. That is fixed now. Implement state objects. true and I didn't have to pay $90 for it because this is Payday 3. Is someone making you pay for their devlogs or something? Why would you have to pay for it? Next thing I want to do... Oh, Payday 3. I thought you meant like your own payday at work. Early access was $90. Jeez. Okay, I want to also... No, I don't think making your employee pay for their wage is legal. True. Fair point. I always forget how you're supposed to rename scripts in Godot because it like always gets messed up no matter what I do. So do I rename it there first and then in the engine? Gotta go to school right now. Look forward for another live devlog. See ya. See ya. Thanks for stopping by. I've never worked with Godot, yeah. Come on, Godot. Thank you. Okay, I think that worked. Beautiful. Okay, let's see if running this breaks everything. Nice, our rename was successful. Perfect. Okay. We just hope it doesn't break everything more than last time. True. Are you a programmer, Anti-Dreams, or a game developer? Or both? Not game dev, but mostly web dev. Nice. Front end or back end? Or full stack? Full stack, I usually work alone. Nice. Like freelance or? Mostly hobby, fair enough. Yeah, that's mostly what my game dev stuff is too, until I can actually sell something. Or until I actually finish a full game, I should say. Aw, that broke all the signals I set up. Or did it, actually? Yeah, I have to edit these. That's okay. Wait. First I want, does this give an error if it calls a method that doesn't exist? I do enjoy game dev though, I've fooled around with it. Nice. Yeah, game dev is pretty fun. It's also, like... It's cool that you can just make, like, little games whenever you want, and, like... You can kind of just have them and look back whenever you want. Okay, good. It does throw an error if it doesn't exist. So let's actually fix that now. But yeah, Godot's pretty good if you ever want to get into game development. I like it, besides its bugs. That's kind of what you've been doing with websites? Yeah, that's good too. I guess just, it's good to make projects with whatever you're interested in. Heard it's now king of 2D since Unity broke trust. Yeah, I kind of feel the same way. That's why I switched after. I switched from Unity kind of because of that. As long as people are making things, it's positive. Yeah. Making things is good. Yeah, like I said, it's just so nice to have like stuff you can look back at and be like, yeah, I made this. Isn't that fun? Okay. Should be working again now. Except I forgot to reset these. Okay, I want to make this default state is on. I want to rename this on sprite and then off sprite. These are actually reversed too. I guess it's a form of artistic expression. It's just of saying I was here, I did this. Yeah, nice. Just fixed a massive bug, let's go. Yo, let's go. I was watching a Godot tutorial and tried to follow along but got overwhelmed. I've been watching your devlog since the beginning, it's all coming together. It is all coming together. Finally. Let's build this again. Default state off. On sprite. I call this gate close, yeah. You're using VS Code to code Godot? Yep, I am. Okay, now does this work? Speaking of sprites, the sprites in your game are really cute. Thank you. Glad you think so. I've spent a lot of time trying to get them how I like. Why do you use VS Code for Godot? I don't know. It's the editor I like the best. Oh, bugs. When do these errors get called? Not when you enter. Oh, it's when you re-enter. Okay. Gotta head out. It was fun watching. Okay. See ya. Thanks for stopping by. VS Code, yeah. That's true. I use VS Code because I also use my, or like most of the time I'm working on my MacBook. And I don't think Visual Studio works on Mac. So VS Code it is for me. Yeah, I kind of like it. I kind of like VS Code better at this point, though. It feels a little more customizable to me, but I don't like. I didn't really spend that time messing around with VS Code, so or with Visual Studio, so I'm not positive that it actually is. But Visual Studio has a lot more stuff configured by default, which is nice for that. It's all about using what you like. Yeah, very true. Oh, I forgot to reverse these. Okay. This should be off. This one should be on. If you're not having fun, what's the point of a hobby? Yeah, true. There we go, okay. Nice, okay, perfect. No errors, good. Beautiful. Commit, create, state, objects. Are they supposed to get flung out of the screen? Yeah, they are. They're supposed to kind of like go flying and like spin away like ah. It looks a little janky right now because I haven't polished it yet. I guess it's like the knockback, yeah. I'm mostly just like I'm trying to prototype now. So get like most of the basic stuff done for like an entire playthrough of the game before I actually spend too much time doing that kind of stuff. Because like maybe during playtests, like I'll find out that I actually don't like that, so it's better for me to not spend time working on something that might get taken out. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I think right now I'll make a state manager class. Which handles my state objects. I thought this song sounded familiar. State Manager is going to keep track of the states of these state objects. So for example, like a state object is like this gate. So if it gets like permanently open, then like even if we switch scenes and like this object gets destroyed and then we come back to the scene, the object comes back again, we have something that's like keeping track of it and doesn't just like forget everything that the player has done to it. So I guess we can make a dictionary from node to bool called state object dict. So it's supposed to keep the variable parts of a room the same even if they get removed and re-added. Yeah, exactly. So say you open a gate, you leave the dungeon and like go back to the overworld, so the dungeon like gets completely unloaded. then you go back into the dungeon. Like, if you just reloaded it how you normally would, like all that would get reset. So this kind of remembers the state for everything. Yeah. Do you have a lot of experience programming? I know you said you were in web development. Couple years, been interested by it ever since you were a kid. Nice. I had this friend that got me into it. He was a programmer before me, and he helps me with a lot of issues if you can't find, or if you can't find solutions online. Nice. Yeah, it's good to have someone like that. What languages do you have experience with? Mostly C# since I use it for game development. I used to use a lot of Java for school. In university we had used a lot of C and C++. Bit of Python. I think that's probably most of it. Java. I don't know. Java's pretty similar to C#, so I don't think it's too bad. Yeah, I like C# too. But yeah, it's mostly like C# from game development. And then I worked on a project for a while, like for fun, that was in C++, but I kind of decided that I don't like C++ that much. And yeah, the other ones are mostly just things for school. Like I had to do a machine learning course and that was all Python. Hey BS, have you done the advent of code for the day? No, I haven't. Are those like those coding challenges in December? Yeah, I've got a different friend who's doing a ML course right now in uni. ML is cool, but really complicated. Yeah, when I did it, I didn't really find it that interesting. My sister's trying to find work in that too, in machine learning. But it is hard to find a job right now, so. None of my family members are really interested by any of that, so I'm the delegated family IT support ever since I got into tech and programming. Yeah, being the IT person is kind of the worst. I kind of like do that for my family sometimes, since like my brother's also in it, but he doesn't really help, so it comes down to me a lot of the time, and it's often very frustrating trying to explain this stuff to people who just really don't get it. But it's nice to teach people, I guess. As long as they're like willing to learn and not just like, here, do this for me. That's kind of the thing that annoys me. Most of the time I don't bother asking, it's just, I need help with this. Okay. Yeah. That's good that you help people. Are you on Mac right now? No, I'm on Windows. This is my PC. Yeah. For my laptop, I use a MacBook. I got it like about a year ago, and I actually really like it. It's just like, I had an old Razer laptop, but yeah, the MacBook is just so much lighter and the battery is so much better. And like, for the kind of games I make, it runs totally fine. Like, I've never had any problem with it. But it is like, it's a refurbished, like, M1. So I guess, that's probably part of why it runs well. My only laptop is this 2012 MacBook Air. Nice. Must be kind of annoying sometimes. The M1s are good, M2s and M3s. I do think MacBooks are overhated in the general tech community. Overhated and overloved, yeah. I'd agree with that, they're very polarizing. A decent number of people in my computer science classes have them now, so I think that's changing. GTA 6 trailer dropped. Nice. GTA 6 won't release until 25, if not later, so I don't really care for the trailer. I've lost all interest in GTA years ago. Oh, rip. Yeah, I've never played any of the GTA games, so I don't really have any opinion on that either. GTA 5 was okay. I did see that they like remade one of them and then everyone was mad about that because I remember they like smoothed out something or something. Yeah, they released the GTA Definitive Edition on Netflix Games. Okay, what even is Netflix Games? Like, I keep hearing about it. Like, do you go into Netflix and then, like, you play a game inside the app? Like, is that what that is? I don't understand why that's a thing at all. Yes? Oh my god. That sounds just like really dumb. I don't get it. I don't know. I guess Netflix is trying to get like a monopoly on whatever else. Who even owns Netflix? Is it like a company that already owns a million things? Have you heard of Squally? It's a cute game made by a guy that has a course on game hacking, made to teach how it works. No, I haven't heard of that. Sounds interesting though. This one? No, I haven't heard of it. Have you played it? Is it good? I feel like that price is kind of steep. Nah, I followed the course without the game, but I think it's a really cool concept. Like a game to follow a course with. The course is free, the game isn't. Yeah, that is interesting. The reviews seem to like say that they wish there was like they wish more of it was the assembly stuff and less like just a regular RPG. I think that's a valid complaint. I do agree with the reviews, yeah. What is the course on? Is it like on Udemy or? Or just like YouTube or something? YouTube? Okay. Is this like a very popular thing? I've never heard of this. This sounds like I'm a salesman though. Who is the... Oh, Guided Hacking? Is this the creator? I don't know. I can't even tell like who of all those people is the actual creator of the game. All good. Oh god, I'm getting so tired. Guided Hacking CS 420 course. Squally Game? Apparently Squally Game. Wait, is Bro back? Bro is back.
What's going on, guys?
Oh wait, that's literally the guy whose page I was on. Yeah, that is pretty cool. I wish more things moved towards that instead of textbooks, which are so disinteresting. Yeah, fair enough. Bro, I used to love your videos. I got so disappointed when you didn't upload for like 8 years, but I'm happy you're back now. Thank you. Glad you liked my videos. Yeah, I'm trying to get back into it. Just bit difficult to find the time, but working on it. Why is my keyboard so loud? I don't know. Because it's right in front of my mic, probably. It's ASMR. Heart, heart, heart. Face, face, face. Okay. Good night, Auntie Dreams. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, I'm gonna keep going until this stream has been going on for 2 hours, so I will be done in about a minute and a half. Cool, okay. I think I will leave it there for now. Really tired and not really being productive. So, thank you everyone for coming. I will try to stream again in a couple days around the same time, but normally kind of around 2:30 p.m. Pacific time. So yeah, thank you for coming and I'll see you next time.